Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of my watchgang Black membership watch for April. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing the Siga designed Gorilla Series X. This one is a really cool piece. I've done a few reviews on that, so make sure you check it out if you're into it. Also, guys, if you're looking to save a little bit of money, make sure you click some of the links below. Helps keep the channel going. And if you're not a subscriber but you like the content, go ahead and subscribe. Also, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Me and my brother try and keep some old cars rolling. Now, if you're not familiar with Watchgang, it is a monthly watch subscription company that has different tier levels from the original tier, which was originally like $25. I believe it's now $75. The black tier is the only one I still am part of, and that is the $150 tier level. But because I'm grandfathered in, I am at the $99 price point. And then there is the platinum tier level, which I believe is $3.99 now. And sometimes they do a centum tier level, which is $1,000. And that just seems like crazy talk to me. If you're going to spend that much money on a watch, I think you want to make sure it's one that you want. Now, I'm pretty excited about this. Obviously, if you guys follow the channel, I have a lot of Aviate watches. I actually have a new watch from Aviate that I can't show you guys yet until I think the 24th. So it's a brand new release, but stay tuned for that one. I am a huge fan of Aviate. I think they have a lot of really cool pieces, and it's one of the links you can click below to save yourself a little bit of money there. Let's see. So it looks like we've got, there's the number in AV-4101-02. On a nice leather strap. I've actually always really liked the leather from Aviate, and I am digging this one. I actually feel really good about this one for being the $99 watch of the month. Looks like we have another style strap, a tool. Would have been nice if it had quick release pins instead of having to use the tool, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and throw this on wrist. So this is a limited edition Hawker Hurricane. And that's what I actually think is really cool about a lot of the Aviate watches as well, is they are kind of specific and they do a lot of, important pieces highlighting specific aircraft or groups. I'm digging this one a lot so far. Let's go ahead and throw it on wrist so you can see how it looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Oops. All right. I dig this one. I'm not mad about the $99 subscription on this at all. The dials are cool. That lower sub dial is a little bit different. It's like almost looks like a fuel tank dial there, so that's kind of an interesting dial. I'm digging this one a lot. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this one in the comments below. I think this is a pretty good home run from Watchgang at the black tier level. Even if you were paying the $150 price point on this one, I think you would be happy with it. And like I said, make sure you click through my link below from Aviate, save yourself a little bit of money, and stay tuned for the next Aviate watch that I have coming up. But once again, let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.